Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode on let's revise 5 marks questions on complete syllabus. This is part 3. For the examination 2021, CBSE has decided to ask 5 marks question, and there will be 3 5 marks questions, so it has become very important to revise the 5 marks question, and this will be the section 5 in the board examination paper. Friends, I also request you to download the study material from the description box. The links is provided there along with the previous episodes of let's revise 5 marks and case study based question. So please download the study material and solve the questions for the further practice. Now let us move to the question. Friends, here is a question on the screen, and in the figure, triangle FEC is congruent to triangle GDB. It is given that triangle FCE or FEC, this triangle which is red one, and the triangle GDB, triangle GDB, this green one, these two triangles are congruent, it is given. And angle 1 is equal to angle 2, it is given that this angle 1 and angle 2 are equal, and we have to prove that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC, that we have to prove. Now friends, here it is given that triangle FEC is congruent to triangle GDB. It means the corresponding pairs of the congruent triangles are equal. So the corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are also equal. So first we write that triangle FEC is congruent to triangle GDB. This is given, and therefore the corresponding sides are also equal. So FE, its corresponding side is GD, these two are equal. EC, its corresponding side will be DB, that are equal, and FC, whose corresponding side will be GB, that are also equal. And so the corresponding sides are also equal because these two triangles are congruent. But we will take only this pair EC and DB because that is only required. So EC is equal to DB. EC is equal to DB. EC is equal to DB. This EC is equal to DB. This corresponding pair of congruent triangle will be equal because of CPCT, corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. Now here it is given that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, that is also given. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is given, and in this triangle ADB, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 are equal. It means the sides opposite to the equal angles are also equal, and so AD is equal to AA. Therefore AD is equal to AE, or you can take AE is equal to AD, because sides opposite to the equal angles. Sides opposite to the equal angles are also equal. Now here we will take the ratio AE upon AD. Sorry, AE is equal to AD. It means its ratio will be 1, and therefore we can say that AE upon AD is equal to, this ratio will be 1, and this ratio EC upon DB, both are equal, so its ratio will also be 1, and so EC upon DB. So this ratio is 1, this ratio is 1, therefore these two ratios should be equal. Now what we will do, we will take EC to this side and AD to other side, so you will get as AC upon EC which is equal to this AD we are taking here, so it will be AD upon DB. Now see here, AC, sorry, this is not AC, this is AE. So AE upon EC, this is AE upon EC is equal to AD upon DB, AD upon DB. When these parts of the sides are proportional, then we say that DE is parallel to BC by converse of basic proportionality theorem, and therefore DE is parallel to BC. The reason is converse of basic proportionality theorem or the Thales theorem, correct? Because AE upon EC is equal to AD upon DB. These ratios are equal, means these parts of the sides are in proportion, and therefore DE is parallel to BC by converse of basic proportionality theorem. Now since these two are parallel, this will be a transversal, this will be a transversal, therefore angle 1 and angle 3, angle 1 and angle 3 will be the pair of corresponding angles, and therefore that pair of corresponding angle will also be equal, and therefore angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and also angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Its reason will be what? Pair of corresponding angles. It is pair of corresponding angles. Now since in triangle ADE and in triangle ABC, angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 4, and angle 1 is common to both the triangles, and therefore by AA criteria triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC, and so here we can say that angle A is equal to angle A because common, and therefore triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. These two triangles are similar by AA criteria. By AA criteria, these two triangles are similar, and that's only we have to prove, and hence we have proved that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Friends, here is the another question. A two-digit number is 4 times the sum and 3 times the product of its digit. Find the number. Here it is given that a two-digit number is 4 times the sum of its digits and 3 times the product of its digits, and you have to find the number. So first we will assume that let the units place digit be x and the tens place digit be y. And since the unit place digit is x and the tens place digit is y, then the number will be equal to x plus 10y. So that number is x plus 10y, and this number is what? 4 times the sum of its digits. So we can say that x plus 10y, that is equal to 4 times the sum of the digits, that is x plus y. We will solve this, multiply by x, 4 inside the bracket, so it will be x plus 10y, which is equal to 4x plus 4y. Now take y to 4y to this side, so it will be minus 4y. So 10y minus 4y, that will be 6y, which is equal to, take x to this side, it will be minus x. So 4x minus x, that will be equal to 3x. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, and therefore x is equal to 2y. Here let it be number 1. Here we have got the value of x in terms of y as x is equal to 2y. Now here the second condition is that it is 3 times the product of its digits. The 2-digit number is 3 times the product of its digits, so we can say that x plus 10y, that is equal to 3 times the product of the digits, that is xy. But here x is equal to what? We have x is equal to 2y, so it will be 2y plus 10y, that will be equal to 3xy. This is from 1. And 10y plus 2y, that will be 12y, which is equal to 3xy. So this y and y will get cancelled. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, and therefore we get x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. You have got the first value as x is equal to 4. So highlight this, because the marks are allotted at this point and at this point also. Now put the value of x is equal to 4 here in the equation number 1. So put in equation 1 to get the value of y. So it will be 4. So you will get 4 is equal to 2y. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and therefore y is equal to 2. Highlight this step because the marks will be allotted at this step also. Now you have got x as 4, y as 2, and therefore you can write the 2-digit number. Unit place digit is x. So what is unit place digit? It is 4. And what is tens place digit? It is 2. And therefore the required number is 24. And therefore friends, here we have got the required number, that is 24.